here I go again with my beautiful family from Jamaica. Your name is again from Spain?
Ricardo.
Ricardo, another one from Spain. What is it about Jamaica? And guess who he has as his wife? A Jamaican girl. Look on her. Pretty girl, Jamaican girl. Look on her. She can't get no food. She come herself. What's your name, baby?
Michelle.
Michelle.
We came here just to look for you, and I'm so excited to be actually trying the best food in Sosua.
Wow.
Thank you.
You know what? I'm going to pause it. I want her to taste the food. I'm going to record, pick up. Now, this is what I made. The red snapper in coconut rundown sauce. Enough people know what that means. And for the husband, I'm making some authentic Jamaican jerk chicken.
That sounds amazing.
Look from that.
Me are so happy.
You might like kick out some patois, brandish patois, Pauno. Look there.
Wow.
She just tasted it. How is it, baby?
Oh my God.
You see that?
Oh my God. This is heaven.
Me can't wait.
You see that?
I am literally living in Jamaica right now.
You see that? Boom shakatak. Wepa. You know something, guys? I got to tell you. This is real love. Her husband, they live here in Puerto Plata. He's also a manager of a hotel, just like the gentleman yesterday. And to make her happy, you know what he did? He find a place, a Jamaican place. I can see him doing it. And he find the best one. Now, it's better for them to say it than me. I'd rather them saying it. Wow. Now I want you to taste the chicken. I want you to taste the chicken while we're at it.
Oh my God. It feels like butter already. Wow.
This is the pepper if you want. I didn't put it on. I want you to get the flavor first.
Listen, I'm in Jamaica now. forget the scotches. Here is the place.
Here you go.
Yeah, man, we know that.
Yes, I respect. Enjoy your food. I'll let you enjoy.
Amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, I was worried about this food. You know what I did? I went the extra mile for her because you know why? 2 reasons. Her husband find a place. I can't let him down because I will never be forgiven.
That's correct.
And I can't let her down because she would sure boot me to the curb. So this is the red snapper in coconut rundown sauce once again.
Amazing.
And she's enjoying it.
Absolutely.
Look at that.
I love it. Thank you.
Boom shakatak. Yes, Russ. Okay, so once again, folks, that's how we do it at MOSHA'S REGGAE Lounge in Dominican Republic. If you want to taste some flavor, come and try it. You may like the food. You just might like the food. Okay, guys? Once again, I'm on the beach, Playa Sosua in the Dominican Republic. I was the first West Indian man to come to this island and put a Jamaican restaurant on this beach. Everybody was asking me, why are you going to Dominican Republic? You don't even speak Spanish. But guess what? I'm a Jamaican. You understand? So we go anywhere. While you wait for the food, folks, you can play chess. Look at this. You can play dominoes. Everything is coordinated. All right? You can chill. All right? So once again, folks, I'll see you in part 2.